Buenos días.
Hello, is this Aura?
Yes, it's Aura.
Aura, how are you? My name is Adrian. I'm phoning from TheLotter in London.
Oh, thank you. I have received an email, and I don't know if it is true.
Well, I can assure you that it is.
Oh my God! Oh my God! I can't believe it! Oh my God!
Congratulations!
Thank you. I just don't know what to say. Thank you.
Well, thank you is definitely a nice thing to say, but thank you. I should thank you. This is wonderful. So you've only been with
Yes.
us for a couple of weeks, and you've been playing the Florida Lotto for all this time. So you played the
Yes.
numbers 3, 10, 20, 29, 35, and 50. And
Yes.
I'm happy to say that you've won $30 million last night.
Oh my God! That is great. Oh my God! It is great. It is. Oh,
No,
I really was needing the money. Really, really.
really? Do you have
Yes.
any ideas what you're going to do with it?
I would like to stop working because I'm continue working because I have my children. But I want to rest, really. Not in this, but I want to rest.
I think you can. I think it's safe to say that you can rest for the rest of your life.
Yes, that is wonderful.
So we just want to congratulate you enormously. You are the biggest winner that we've ever had at the Lotter, and we're very proud.